please meet three wonderful dogs who came in together as owner surrenders on September 17th here to the Downey Animal Care Center. First, we have Blizzard. Blizzard, his impound number is A4757166, and Blizzard is a male white Maltese mix. He's about 3 years old. Over here we have McMissy, and she is a female white and tan spaniel mix. She's about 11 months old. And over here we have Peanut, and Peanut is a female white miniature poodle. She's about 3 years old. Let's hear more about these wonderful dogs. Let's start over here with Blizzard.
Blizzard is very outgoing. He's an enthusiastic boy. He loves his sisters. They're very bonded. He loves to be pet, really likes other dogs. He's just a happy-go-lucky guy, and gorgeous to boot.
Okay, and now we have McMissy.
McMissy is just a ball of energy. She's really into everything. She loves attention. She'd be a great family dog.
Here we have Peanut. She's very calm, very loving. She'll look great after being groomed. She's a great family dog and lap dog.
All right, there you have it. If you're interested in all three of these wonderful dogs, or to adopt them individually, again, this is Blizzard, and his impound number is A4757166. McMissy, A4757168. And Peanut, A4757167. All three doggies need a wonderful home. So if you're interested, they're here at the Downey Animal Care Center, and they're ready for their forever home.